Hi friends, my name is Siddharth. Welcome to our channel Mango Programming. So in this video we will going to understand what is the difference between broadcast and emit, dollar broadcast and dollar emit. So basically they do same, sends the data, send the data from one visit. Okay, they both functionality wise they do same. Okay, but for the difference, there is a slight difference which we will be going to cover in this video. Okay, so in the last one of my video I have explained how we use broadcast to send the data, and how we use on to receive the data, or how to communicate the visits, right? So emit is also one of the method, one of the directives which we use to communicate the visit. Okay, but the differences between the broadcast and emit is, I'll just give you a take an example so that it would be more clear. Okay, suppose this is a portal page where we have this one visit and we have another visit. So if you want to transfer the data from visit 1 to the visit 2 in the scope of same page, then we use broadcast to send the data, and we use on to receive the data. Okay, but sometimes you get the scenario something like this. If you have a visit and we have another visit that is embedded into the visit, like parent child relationship, remember? So this is the parent visit we have, and we got another visit which is inside the visit, which is called child visit. Okay, so whenever you get something like this, so if you want to transfer the data from parent visit to the child, you can use broadcast. Okay, that's something gone wrong. Okay, yeah, let me give an indication over here. Okay, so whenever you get the something scenario like this, if you want to transfer the data from parent visit to the child, you can use broadcast still. But if you want to transfer the data from child visit to another visit, then emits comes into the picture. Okay, whenever you want to transfer the data from child visit, emit is will going to use, because with the help of broadcast you cannot transfer the data from child visit. This is the slight difference between broadcast and emit. Rest everything is same. Okay, let me clear one more time. Okay, if you get the scenario something like, if the one visit is embedded into the another visit, one visit can be called into the another visit. I hope you know this functionality. If you don't know, don't worry, I will covering in this video that also. Okay, so if you want to transfer, or if you want to communicate the child visit to the parent visit, then you will going to use $emit. Okay, let me show you the code so you will get the clear idea, or UI actually. Okay, so we have this page where we got this visit 1 and we got this visit 2. So if I type in here something, and if I click this button, this data got transferred into the visit 2. Okay, so from the visit 1 we are transferring the data with the help of broadcast, and in the visit 2 we are receiving the data with the help of on. Okay, I hope you know this. Okay, if you don't know, don't worry about this. I have already created one video on this, how to use broadcast and on, how to transfer the data from one visit to another visit, like communication of these visits. I have already created the video, so you may go look see that video as well. I will put the link in here, okay, in the description. So let's understand. If you get the visit something like this, I'll show you that another page we have, which is called something, I don't remember the name, let me call it. Sometime you get the scenario which I have explained over here. Let me close this. This is these visits are separated on the same page. These visits are located on the same page, but it is not embedded. Okay, but in here if you see, the one visit is embedded into the another visit. This is what, at the time of this, if you want to transfer the data from here, like click, this needs to get transferred here, right? So with now we will going to use emit, because with the help of broadcast you cannot transfer data if the visit inside the visit is there. Okay, so basically what I want to say, I have written here, like this is not here. I'll show you the Google, the basic difference you will find. Dollar broadcast versus Emmet. Okay, here if you see this line, what I've explained just now, that means with the help of broadcast you can send an event or data to the downwards from the parent to child or any of the visit. Like if you want to transfer the data from parent to the child or any other visits on the same page, then you can use broadcast. But the emit method on the other hand does exactly opposite. Like with the help of emit you can transfer the data from child to parent, you can say upward, not downward. So emit cannot transfer the data to downwards, but at the same time broadcast can transfer the data downward also. I hope you got the basic difference. Now I'll show you the code how we will going to use that. Okay, so here you have broadcast, right, at the time of sending the data, and here you have on at the how to receive the data. But if you get the scenario something like this, then you have to use emit. Okay, just take a look on the broadcast first. Okay, we have this visit 1 where it contains one input and one button. Okay, on click of this button, whatever the data into this input will get transferred. Okay, will float on the page, you can say, I would say. And this is the code we have written over here. This is the function of this button ng-click, which is an Angular directive for the button on click method defined, and we have written the function, and basically we are doing it the f name, the input text box name we have given f name, and the data of this input got transferred into this variable. Okay, and we are transferring the data, and in the broadcast takes two parameter, the one is key and the second one is value. Okay, I hope you know this. If you don't know, don't worry about this. I have already created the complete video how to use broadcast, but I have explained all these codes over there, how to communicate the widget, what is the root scope, why we are using it, and all the c.data, everything I have explained in another video. So I will not be going to covering this, because the agenda of this video is to differentiate the broadcast and emit. Okay, so as broadcast takes two parameter, key and value, and on also takes two parameter, the key and function. Okay, that function all again takes two parameter. So let's keep it as it is for now. Now we have to check this parent parameter and child so that we can differentiate it. Where we have, yeah, so we have this broadcast, right, visit 1. Let me open that child visit so that I can show you the difference of broadcast and emit. Child visit. Just open, yeah. So here if you see, we have used emit, not broadcast. Okay, so that is how it is working. But if I change this $emit to $broadcast, okay, and if I save it now, and I'll refresh this page, and if I type something here, it will not transfer, because broadcast cannot transfer the data from child visit to the parent visit. Remember this point. This is the difference. From the child visit, if you want to transfer the data, you have to use emit, and if you want to transfer the data from parent to child or from any visit to any other visit, you can use broadcast. Okay, I hope the difference is clear. So simple slight differences there between broadcast and emit. Basically they do same, they both transfer the data from a particular visit, but broadcast cannot transfer the data from child visit to another visit. Okay, yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you, how to embed the visit, like how to insert one visit into another visit, because I have not covered that yet in any of my video, so I will tell you that as well. Okay, so we have this parent visit. Okay, So in the output you can see, right, we have this parent visit and we got another visit into the parent visit. We have not defined the two input box, only in one input box is there, you can see, but here in the output you got two input box because we have embedded another visit. For the embedding you have to use this code. We have to pass the visit tag, then id of the second visit, whatever the visit you want to embed it, okay, you want to insert, you can say, and you have to close the visit. So the child visit we have another, right, which I have shown you earlier. So this is the difference, is I've covered it. So I hope you got what I wanted to say. Thank you so much for listening, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you so much. Bye.